What is this? A prompt-based web app from a GPU somewhere. This is Paris travel overview. It's also animated, bro. Wow. Look at that. It's like a search. This is some conspiracy, guys.
If you were to inspect it, it would be what?
And it expands. This is Notre Dame. I don't know what this is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this podcast. We don't have a name for this podcast yet, but welcome. Today we're going to discover multiple things in the world of computers. I'm Matt, and this is my brother. Yeah. Are you ready to get your mind blown by what's going on out there?
I think so.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So, let me start with something that you've already thought about before. Imagine that all the code that we've been doing all this time, in the far future, we won't have that anymore. All we'll have is a prompt-based web app
Oh.
with a generative UI.
Okay, so I'm blown away because it's kind of crazy. So let me ask a question. In
Okay.
that world, what will like Canva.com?
Okay.
What will that look like in that world?
Well, all you'll have will be like a prompting system, and then it will display what you want to see from a GPU somewhere. It's generating the UI as you open it. Let me show it to you because what I'm talking to you about already exists. And these guys are incredible. So it's on flipbook.page, and I've searched for Madagascar, and this UI that you see here, brother, has been generated, right? There's no HTML inside this.
Oh, so if you were to inspect it, it will be what?
It's like game streaming.
Oh, okay.
And when I click on this, let's say Think de Bemara, as I click on it, it will generate the next page. But it's a little slow now.
Just the animation is kind of
It helps.
crazy. I mean, it's generated somewhere. Even the animation is, or is it like?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Okay, that's not really the
I'm not
point,
sure.
but
Okay, and
yeah.
and this is quite slow because I don't know if it's our internet, if it's their GPU, but this costs a lot. And let me
Yeah.
show you their video. Let me show you their video illustrating this. Okay, so this is like Paris travel overview, right? And that's what the user searches on the search bar. And it generates what it's about. It has like this notion with a computer here, and then all this, and then it's also animated, bro. Wow. Look at that. The guy clicked.
That's crazy.
The guy clicked on this building and it expands. This is Notre Dame, and then it expands inward and inward and inward. It does the search and generates the UI as it goes.
That's amazing. Like, how did they do that? Yeah.
Think of image generation, but video generation, but live streaming.
And they're interactive too. So like,
of course, there has to be some backend server somewhere, like processing the information. I believe it's not just like image and then image and then image.
But the cost of these things is gonna be like crazy.
Crazy. Exactly. Let's get to the end of this first. Wow, brother, they're going all out. So what's behind this is some system prompts and tens or hundreds of GPUs.
That's for sure.
And the cost, there's a conversation about that down here. It's like HTML, but costs 2000x as much to serve, and the guy said
I think
more than
2000x is an understatement. It's like a million.
Exactly, bro.
Because like HTML, if you were to host it in a CDN somewhere, it's gonna cost like nothing.
Yeah, it's just gonna be the bandwidth.
Yeah.
That's all you're gonna pay for, bandwidth and power.
That's true.
But it's very unique though. There's nothing like it.
I think it will be very good for some niche things. Let's say you are like an architecture company and you have this, and like exploring will be live for someone. Like, I'm looking for a house of this type, and then like the clients in this case will just search for like something like this. That will like many people like do it.
That's a banger idea. Imagine you're an architect and you look at something and then it has ASR, automatic speech recognition. And then you can speak and you can say, let there be light. You can say, I want a chandelier at this place.
Yeah.
And then it generates itself. And then you want to go to the next room and it goes to the next room. And then you model. You design the next room
Yeah.
And at the end, you have something like very interactive, very visual, and you feel very in control.
Yes.
If someone builds that, we are going to sue them. Okay? That's our idea. Okay. That's really crazy, bro. Let's see how far this goes in the future, but this is gonna be some pretty expensive stuff. Imagine
Like for people who are very angry about the water, they're going even crazier about this.
Of course, power is now very expensive. RAM price is wow. I can't upgrade anything anymore.
Yeah, that's really true. Okay, so do I need to log in?
Type something. It's there.
Okay.
Please type something.
So like something I can.
No, I think it's like a search. No, ask about something. You
Okay,
type something in search bar or upload an image to begin.
Oh, so it's like a.
It's like a
so it's
search.
leaning more into like.
Like search.
Oh, so like in a way it will be like better on Google Maps.
Well, Google Map is already pretty visual, so
Oh, that's true.
I know.
So I want.
Okay. Okay, that's a great idea.
That just came to my mind. Like
Computer.
A few moments later.
Matryoshka brain. Okay. It's Russian. Is Russia still gonna be there 1,000 years later?
no idea.
This is some conspiracy, guys. Central computing is a data storage of 10 times 15 minutes. Okay? Yeah, it's pretty slow there.
Forget about it.
Yeah.
Oh, no. We're gonna look back into anything like so small max. Now they're working like crazy fast with the anime.
If you build a subscription into this, like your app is now costing you like $1,000 a month because anytime you open it, you're accessing, you're using a GPU at 100%. So if you do that for 100 people, well, that's already like at least 10 GPUs, and the cost of just running that infrastructure is huge. Of course, it's going to be somewhere around there, but I'm sure we're going to have products built on this. There's no doubt about that. Okay, so that's what I got for this. What you got?